Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Giorgiana and today I'm going to do an update of my daily makeup, the one that I use when I go to work. And as you can see, I have already applied my foundation. This foundation is a new one. I have tested out on my previous video. If you would like to check it, I'm going to link it down below. And yes, let's get started. I have applied the foundation, but before that I have applied a primer, this one from Clarins. I have set it with a powder, the one from Tilbury, this one. Airbrush Flawless Finish, okay, in color Fair. Okay, good. I'm going to show you what I'm going to use. Is this new palette that I have shown you before from Inglot, and here I have all the colors that I need in order to do my makeup, okay? And I'm going to show you what I'm going to use firstly. Okay, good. Now I have here like a combination of shadows that I really use every single day, this one, okay? And before that I'm going to use this one, the white one. I really use it. I use it almost every single day. I think that this color can brighten your eyelids. This is from the freestyle system of Inglot. You can design your own palette if you want. You choose the colors that you would like to have. Okay, this is almost the base color, okay? Now I'm going to use this color, this one, the first one from here. And I'm going to use it here to define my crease, okay? Good. Now I'm going to take the color from the middle, this one, and I'm going to take this pencil brush. I'm going to show you this one, okay? And I'm going to use the color in the middle. And I'm going to create here in the corner like a small eyeliner. Be careful with these colors because they are really high pigmented. Okay, now I'm going to take again the first color that I have shown you and put it here. I'm going to brush my eyebrows. Okay, and use brow blade from Decay, the pencil. And don't worry about the products, I'm going to put them in the description box, okay? Okay. I always use my finger to blend out. Okay. Now I'm going to curl my eyelashes. I have to recognize that this makeup, it takes me like between 10-12 minutes every single day. I'm going to use this a new mascara, which is Pillow Talk Push Up Lashes from Charlotte Tilbury. Is my favorite one at the moment. But you have to be very careful when you use it. It doesn't dry out in the moment, okay? As I told you before, it's buildable. Good. Now, I haven't used any concealer and I'm going to use one. I'm going to use this one from Mulac, the 01 shade Dorian concealer. I'm going to use it here and here, here and here. Okay. I think it's too light for me at the moment, this color. Okay, I think I'm ready. Set it with a powder. You need to set with a powder. Okay. Now I'm going to bronze a little bit my face, and I'm going to use this brush from Balm. But then I'm not going to use a lot of bronzer, okay? Because sometimes I don't have time to bronze. I want this video to be real, you know? Oh, something's wrong. My chest too, sorry. Good. Now that I have bronze, I'm going to highlight only a bit because I don't have time to highlight, okay? Some of the days I don't have time, I skip this step. You don't have to use every single day highlighter if you don't want to. Okay. I'm going to set my eyebrows with this gel, which is called 24-hour brow setter from Benefit. This thing is amazing as well. It's expensive, but it's worth the hype. Okay. Good. Now, the only thing that I haven't used is the blush, okay? I'm going to use this brush for the blush, and I'm going to use this one from Inglot, my favorite one. It's the ones that will remain all day, okay guys? Now let's see. Look how beautiful is this color. Look. And be careful when you apply because it's so high pigmented. So, I think that I have done, let's see. I'm going to use for my lips only this matte lip pencil from Balm. It's a glam liner called.
Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out. I just can't stop thinking about.
Okay, and the final step is this Clarins Fix Makeup Spray. And I'm ready to go and to use my mask. Okay, here in Spain we have to use it even if it's in the open air, even if it's outdoor we have to use the mask. Okay, I'm going to use the mask like between 8 hours more or less at work, okay, and 1 hour in the gym. So guys, this is the final result of my updated makeup routine, and it took me like 12 minutes, 13 minutes maybe, with the application of the foundation. If you are interested to see the review of this foundation, I have already told you that I did a review on it, so please check it. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe if you have enjoyed the video, and share and like it, please. And what else? Thank you for watching the video. I hope that you have enjoyed as much as I did, and see you on my next video. Goodbye guys. Bye. See you.
I just can't stop thinking about you. I just can't stop thinking about you. I just can't